Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel HVAC Work by Samiullah Khan 92. Today our video is about the service of package unit. Some of my viewers told me kindly make a complete video of a package unit servicing, how to service the package unit before I make step by step videos. So that's why I make a complete tutorial about that one, so you can see from the filters, cooling coil, condensing coil, and complete body of the package unit how to service. This is a York package unit, so it's a air diffuser of York package unit. From the back side you can see this is the package unit. This we already opened that. These are the aluminum filters inside the package unit, which you can see too much dusty. You must remove this cover first and then remove all the filters one by one. You can see how to remove the filter. You slide it horizontally or like this. It's very easy to remove. This is the way you can remove the filters. You can see this, how much dust inside the filters. Though you must service the units in every 2 months, and also you can clean your filters time to time, every 15 days, like that. So this is the cooling section of the package unit. You can see here there is a cooling coil, motor, and these are the expansion valves. This is the another part of the package unit. You can see here is the compressor side, where is a compressor installed in the package. You can see this is component scroll compressor. This is the low pressure switch of that. So let's start our servicing. This we put the filters in the line, and this is our pump, pressure pump. We're using this pressure pump to clean the all the filters. So this is our pressure pump. We can start. You just clean the filters like that with the pressure pump, because pressure pump you need to take out all the dust from all not remain inside the filter. It will clear completely the dust from the filter. So this is the way you can clean. Start from the upside to downside. This is you must check that the suction side must be on the top, because you put the pressure from the opposite side of the dust. After finish one side, opposite side of the dust, you can rotate your filters like that and start again servicing from the other side. Because when the why I told you from the suction side, because the dust stuck in the suction side of the filter, so you must clean first from the other side to remove it easily. So this is the other side of the filter we are servicing now. You can see how much dust inside, because this we already cleaned from one side, but still there is dust. So this is you can see now it's all clean, neat and clean. Now you can see from both sides will be neat and clean now. So this is the filter section of the package unit we service. Now we start the servicing of the cooling coil. This is our cooling coil. From the suction side we are servicing now. This is the suction side, because more dust in this side, so we need to clean it properly. So you need to clean this complete. So it's very important to use the pressure pump. Without pressure pump, not possible to clean the package units, because in the split units maybe you can use a less pressure and it's easy to remove the dust. But in the package units, because they are big units and more dust inside, so you must use the pressure pumps. This is the suction mesh of the package unit. This is used because there is no bird came inside, or any cat or baby cat like this, not to come inside the package unit. This is a safety protection for the section of package units. These are the lowers you must clean also, these lowers, because the dust is inside there. And this now we can remove this, we remove this all dust stuck inside. So you can see how much dust came outside now. So this is the way to clean the suction side. Now we are going from the other side of the coil, and there is the lowers also here. You can see how much dirty they are. So you can clean these also, these all also. So to complete your servicing, this is the another section of the package unit. This is the, it's a motor side of the package unit. You can see these two extension valves here. So we can clean this other side. You can see step by step. I show you the complete video step by step to see how to clean it, because sometimes the new people join this work and they don't know what they can do. This is the drain side of the package unit, the drain tray. From the drain tray, water coming outside. This is the motor and other parts of the package unit. You can see you must clean everything, and make sure when you service this unit not run quickly, because it's wet. After when you wash this, there is water inside. So wait for some hours, 2 to 3 hours, to dry this one, and then start your system. So this we can do now our cooling section side, the motor side of the package unit. This is the filter side, we already clean, and this is the compressor. We also clean this one, you can see. And after that you must clean these panels of the door panels of the package unit, because there is dust inside, which you remove. Inside we already clean, but we don't forget to clean these also. So you must clean every part of the package unit. This is another now we are going to service the condenser unit of the package unit. This is the condenser, V-shaped condenser of York package unit. It's beautifully designed by York. So we start our servicing here in the condenser side. You can see when we clean one side, the other side is dirty. How much difference is that? So much dust inside. This dust is very important to remove from the condenser. If you are not removing time to time, you cannot do preventive maintenance of your package, then it will damage your compressors. Because if the condenser is choked with the dust, the air cannot pass through it easily, and it will give you the high pressure error. When the high pressure error coming again and again, it will damage your compressor. Now we are going to open the side cover of the condenser, because from outer side we clean our condenser, but some people are not cleaning this from the inside. So you must open this and make a pressure of water from the inside also. The remaining dust will be come out, because some people are you can see this, the dust is coming out from the inside also. This is the one side of the package unit, and that is the another side of the condenser. You open from the other side also to clean the dust from other side also. So this is the other part of the condenser. Sorry, my video is a little lengthy, because the people request me to make a complete video. That's why it's a bit lengthy. I try to make it short, but I think it's bigger than not shorter. So you can see you must clean from inside. You can see that dust is coming out from the inside part of the condenser. So we already done our work here. This is the filter. You can see clean, cooling coil, and condenser. This is the cooling coil from other side. Expansion the body inside the motor. We clean, we try to clean everything. This is the compressor side, we clean. So this all are the parts we need to clean in the servicing of package unit. You can see this is the neat and clean now condenser. The air will be passed through it very easily. Now here after servicing, you must close your covers properly and check the screw, all screws are properly fixed or not. This is the control of the package unit. I show you, you must clean this one also. And now we fix everything. We are going to fix all the covers of the package units. I'll show you what you can do after fixing. After fixing, you must do that thing. I'll show you now. After fixing, let's wait. You must this is our package unit. You can see now York package. After complete servicing from inside, you must clean the covers from the outside also. There is dust on the outside covers, so you can clean the covers also from the outside. You can see in this video we are servicing from outside the supply duct and the panel of the package unit. So this is all. You can see there is a dust on the base also. You must clean this base with the pressure of water, because when it will become dry, the package will suck it again to the condenser. That's why you must clean the near parts, the base of the package unit. That's all about the servicing of package unit. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for the more videos. Thanks for